Leo, this is your channel messages for my Leo placements. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Leo. Oh my god. Hopefully they don't fly in my mouth. God. We got Genius IQ, Leo. Okay, so I don't know if you're doing the Mensa test. I don't know if you're testing IQ, or I don't know if you're realizing that someone's actually very fucking intelligent. Just because they have an accent, don't mean that they're a dummy. Okay, look how much Indian doctor they about. You have to make sure that you take the medication properly. Look how much people have just because they have accent that don't determine them IQ. Stupid. Yeah, the devil card. We're getting someone's really fucking smart. The devil and genius IQ. You don't know how them know the things them know. This is like a person who can get into medical school without prerequisites. Somebody that get into law school and them never study a day in a law before. And let me tell you something. I have something that known as the Sharingan. Everybody know Naruto, right? You know Sharingan? That's one reason. So you say you want a job? Yes. Okay. Can I see your resume? I don't do those things. Excuse me. I don't do resumes. What do you mean? We have to see a resume. We have to see a paper saying, yeah, I don't do that. No, I don't do resumes. Oh, okay. Well, how are we supposed to know if you're capable of doing it? Show me what I do and we can do it. That's one thing with me. If me say, if you make me say how it's done one time, that's it. Even if a blood clot open heart surgery. All me have to do is see watch you do it one time. Yeah, I don't do resumes anymore. Yeah, fuck that shit. Yeah. You want a resume? Sorry. You're just gonna have to see me and be like, hey, I watch your personality and I feel like you'll make a good I feel like you'll make a good addition to our company. We're gonna give you a 7-day probation. We're gonna give you training, and after 14 days, we're gonna see if we want to keep you or not. I don't do resumes. So this is what I've learned. Every time I do a resume, them teeth my resume. Every time I do a resume, people want to say, "Oh my God, you're not that skilled as your resume says." Yeah, we don't do resume. Stop the resume. Stop. I stop. I have fallen out of belief when it comes on to a piece of fucking paper, right? Not a blood clot no more. Yeah, all you have to show for do something once. It don't matter what. Nails, I don't know for the nails. If you make me see how you do it one time, you can do it. Anything, I have something called Sharingan. Bakugan. The fuck, right? Yeah, Genius IQ and the devil. I'm getting you don't know how fucking smart somebody is. Or somebody have what do you call it? Somebody have not photographic memory, video one. You know the video one? Or have you all not know that that exists yet? You know people have photographic memory where them brain can take a screenshot or something. You have video, well, that's something I'm gonna realize. I have video memory. I can remember details of every single thing. Maybe somebody want to wipe your memory. That could also be it. Somebody feel like you have short term memory and then keep coming back to you saying the same things over and over and over again. And you're like, you told me this 6 million times. Maybe somebody else have Alzheimer's. Yeah, the genius IQ and the devil. The devil don't sit down in a blood clot class, carry the one. No, you show the devil one time off and the devil can mimic it. I am very good at mimicry. Mimicry, yeah. So, no. Yeah, we have mean girls, and the ugly bitches are mad because some of these bitches have to study 4 years to know that they should open a fucking door. They have to study 6 blood clot months to know say them to say, okay, it's time for dinner. 6 fucking months you have to study for, for walk up and down a fucking building. Yeah, cleanse your space. We have Aries, the head, and we have cuddle. So I'm getting something out of Aries and a Capricorn. Or yeah, the devil have to show you how to do something one time. You know for do it. You're the head. You lead with your head. Some people lead with them hard, so them have to be attached to them work before them know how to do it perfectly. I'm guessing you lead with your head. Me not have to do that. You just show me one time. That's all you have to do. And it don't matter what. It doesn't matter what it is. It don't matter what. It could have been medicine, it could have been social, it could be IT base, could be anything. As long as you make me see you do it one time, you get fucked when I reach. Know that. You should know that. You should know that. You're telling me AI is now developed. But now we have self-driven cars, right? But the human brain has not developed in the past thousands of years. We still have to sit down 4 years for something. It still takes 6 blood clot months to tell somebody, yeah, it's this way, right? Everything developed, phone developed, clothes developed, fashion developed, and you tell me so the human brain has not developed. It still take the same amount of time that it has been taken how much blood clot years ago to do the same fucking job. Nobody has expedited the studying pattern. Nobody has expedited the training pattern. We're still dealing with fucking resumes. Okay, do your thing. You do you and I'll do me. Like I've been doing me. And the angel coming out first, a Sagittarius. Even though we have the devil. Yeah, this ain't voodoo. This ain't motherfucking witchcraft. This is genius IQ. This is brain power. That's why you bored. That's why you seem like you don't want nothing in life. Me getting nothing to stimulate you. You don't want a job where you sit down every day for your phone. And as soon as a customer come in, yeah, what you want? Okay, down there. So, okay, yeah, later, bye. No, the fuck? You telling me thousands and thousands of fucking years has fucking passed, and nobody brain will develop to the fact where them need 1 week to learn something. The fuck? Yeah, the judgment. We have the Six of Pentacles, and we have the King of Wands. So getting something about a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or something about a contract. I was also getting something about Canadian Tire. Something about Canadian Tire. Okay. Was it Canadian Tire? Yeah, I was hearing something about Canadian Tire. So I'm getting something about apprenticeship. Yeah, right. You remember people used to apprentice, remember? One time you never, I mean, yeah, you did study first and then you go on job training. You're getting somebody that will just pick you right off the street and give you apprenticeship. Them not want you go school, them not want to study the whole heap of studying. Them are gonna make you on the job training. Them are gonna make you shadow them, watch them, see how it's done, and then execute the job. Could I even fucking construction? All me have to do is see how you do it one time. As long as you make me see how you do it one time, you get fucked. Because now, I'm going to do the job better than you. You had 4 years of training, and I just saw what you did on one day, and now I have office for myself. Yeah, but the angel again. Sagittarius, something about a Sagittarius. I'm getting your shadow on Sagittarius. The devil, this could be Capricorn. I'm getting you have extraordinary abilities. You're the jack of all trades, master of none. You can do everything. Even when I was in high school, I did the electrician class. I was a top student in the electrician. All you have to do, I just have to see it one time. Temperance clarified by the temperance. I'm telling you. Sharingan. Bakugan. I'm telling you. You can joke me, I make? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune, the Knight of Cups, and the King of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting something about an apprenticeship. Somebody said that you have extraordinary abilities, or them say that you learn super quick, super fast. They don't know how your brain is still as potent as a 11-year-old. That's why them say that you should make kids learn a language before the age of 12. After the age of 12, your brain slow down. You're getting yeah, your brain is still as potent as a child. You're getting you can learn anything fast, fast, fast. I don't know. Maybe somebody's relying on a paperwork. It's just paper. Paperwork don't say nothing. Look how much blood clots medical professional have paperwork and I prefer another malpractice. No, we're not saying that you're. Man, not say if you just get up and start do a job because you see how you watch a YouTube video. That's not what I'm saying. You have to have the proper training when it comes down to the practice, to the moral standard of the job, right? Because you can get blood clots sued, you can get fired. But what I'm saying is certain type of job, you don't need no paperwork. Because even if you have paperwork when you go on the job, you still have to have training. Maybe that's what it is. Some of them workplace here want cut the budget of training. They might name the budget, I eat it out, or I put the gas money on them blood clot car, and them don't want to train employees no more. You're supposed to have a doctorate degree and 12 years of experience at age 19. So that means me have to start work when my mother was 3 months pregnant with me, we have to start work, right? We don't want engineer with 5 years experience or just graduate college. So now I want them apprentice for 5 years without pay. So they get free work, right? That's how them try for fuck under the ass. When them get enough for study, put themselves in a debt, and then tell themselves don't have the experience for the job. So now they have to do an apprenticeship for the next 3 years for free. And your work is still gaining the company money. So it's not like you're underqualified to do the job. Them just fucking on the ass with a fucking straw. That's what the fuck they're doing. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Leo. Bye bye.